TechCred is a program from the Governor's Office of Workforce Transformation. This was all headed up and started by Lieutenant Governor John Husted. It's a program that is out there and available to all companies or municipalities to help upskill their current and future workforce, primarily focusing on technical training programs within manufacturing, healthcare, the construction world, really all walks of employment. We're talking $30,000 is available per TechCred funding round, with 6 of those rounds coming each year. So companies are eligible for $180,000 per year in technical training funds through TechCred, and that would be broken down at $2,000 per credential per employee.
It's a program that we're learning that a lot of employers don't know about, and one of the biggest issues that we hear about from our clients, they have a hard time finding good quality, skilled employees. So this program allows them to take their A players, their best employees, and provide that training from within.
Instead of looking for a maintenance mechanic at $38, $39, $40 an hour that you're going to have to try to woo in and bring them in and potentially poach from someone else, why don't you take that operator that's been there for 18 months, that has shown all those good qualities you're looking for, partner them up with a mentor, and start to train them with the skill set they're going to need to be successful.
Here through Ohio TechCred, you're provided that opportunity. It's basically for free, right? So you spend the money, you get the money back. And I don't know of too many opportunities that you have to do that, and it's just, I think it's a waste not to take advantage of it.
If you think about anything that is tech focused, like I said, there's 2,400 credentials out there. There's a ton of them. But in the manufacturing space, electrical, mechanical, automation, controls, print reading, GD&T, welding, all the digital SolidWorks, AutoCAD, all those are going to be eligible. Microsoft, Excel, PowerPoint, Word, SharePoint, Adobe, ArcFlash is another one. So some of those safety opportunities are available for companies.
I call it TechCred, and we automatically think, maintenance, right? You think that skilled labor, but there's some other aspects of it as well that companies can take advantage of. So if you're an engineering firm, for example, there's opportunity there. If you're a doctor's office, there's opportunity there. If you're a manufacturing facility, not just opportunity for your folks that are out there on the shop floor, but there's opportunity for your back end, your office support, your admin staff. So, there's something there literally for everybody to take advantage of.
You're going to learn about 2 organizations, both Custom Training Solutions and Cardinal Compliance, that can come in and do training for you and utilize this funding. That way you can start to save those training budgets, and you can maybe move some of that funding off to the side to address more safety, to address leadership and development, or maybe a Lean Six Sigma course. Start utilizing the existing budget you have for some of those other programs. Let TechCred help pay for your technical training programs.
I'm kind of making that my mission, to get that message out there and to get it out to as many people as possible. Whether or not you're a Cardinal client or not, I don't care. Take advantage of the program. One of the things that we want to see is companies in the state of Ohio. We want to see them prosper. We want to see them create jobs. We want to see them grow, right, and create that revenue for our state. That's why we're doing this.
We are one of the #1 providers in the state of Ohio, helping companies take in about $4.5 million since 2019.
What Northwest State has done through their custom training solutions is create a program that has filled that vacuum, right? And they've made a commitment, and they are awesome to work with. They're easy to work with.
We've done some safety in the past, but it's not what we do specifically. Cardinal Compliance, that's what they do. If you want ArcFlash, you want fall protection, Cardinal compliance is the way to go, and that's why we partner with them. We want to make sure that we have the right people in place within our organization that can help deliver quality programs. I'm a huge proponent on the quality side of it. And the last thing I want to do, especially with safety, is deliver a subpar course, and I don't have to worry about that with Cardinal compliance.
You'd be foolish not to at least check it out.